Hey, what's going on, folks? Lloyd here, back again with another video. So with the holiday 2020 coming up, a lot of things are going on sale early, including the AirPods Pro. I picked this up at Costco for 199 bucks. I know I'm a year late, but it's better late than never, right? Anyways, let's go ahead with this unboxing video of the AirPods Pro. So right off the bat, you'll be presented this nice box, which is great. You probably won't have that sticker, mainly because I bought mine from Costco. But in order to open this, you just basically have to pull this tab right here. And then after that, just basically pull this part, and here's the box itself. Now to open the box, you'll be presented with this designed by Apple in California, which is basically the menu. I don't think it comes with a sticker. And here's the AirPods Pro itself. Pretty nice, sleek, wrapped in plastic. Set that aside for now. And with this one, it looks like there's a pull tab right here. So just get this out. And it looks like you are presented with some ear tips for your AirPods Pro. Underneath that, of course, is the USB-C to Lightning cable for charging, and maybe you can even use it for your iPhone. Now for the actual AirPods itself, so just remove this plastic. And here's the AirPods itself. Pretty sleek. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in Vietnam. And the actual AirPods itself, it's right here. Okay, now for the setup, you just take your iPhone and unlock it. Open this guy up. Click connect. You can start watching this if you'd like. I'm going to choose don't announce messages, and the setup is done. Your AirPods Pro is now connected to your iPhone.